Hi, I'm Ajay Sawant, founder, CEO, and managing director of Orient Technologies Private Limited. Number one, Nutanix has a great portfolio. So it's not a one-time sale to the customers. The other thing that I want to talk about Nutanix is the team. It's a very humble and very partner-oriented team. I have people like the Faiz and Harsh who always been listening to the partners and make the strategy which suits the partners to go all out in the market. And that is what I liked about Nutanix portfolio and the team on the ground. Their first Premier League was won by Orient, and I feel very proud about it. But such initiative makes the bonding between Nutanix and Orient team very good. Okay, we do a lot of customer events along with Nutanix, and we get a huge response from the customer. This is where I feel Nutanix and Orient relationship has made a lot of difference because of the support, because of the training, because of their various processes. The process like a DR, deal registration process is very simple, and it actually helped us to get that confidence to do more and more business with Nutanix.